Kim here. Welcome to my office. I had to look around, wasn't sure where I was. It's been a day. Happy Easter. I just kind of want to bring you along with us and just celebrate Easter with us because we love you and you're supposed to spend time with the people you love on the holidays. So we're spending time with you. Easter is our Bulgarian holiday. We do a few little Bulgarian traditions that aren't quite as American and is whatever. We started with dyeing eggs on Friday. You should be dyeing eggs on Thursday, but life happened and we had to do it on Friday.
Hello.
You're gonna spill that? You be careful.
If somebody pushes me, I will. If nobody
Don't
pushes me, I
even.
won't.
What color are you doing?
So I just barely did a red. Now I'm doing something for the Easter bunny
Why is the first one red?
because it's a Bulgarian tradition.
She did a good job.
Yeah, she did.
Hey man. Chewy. Pardon the background, we are in the middle of a kitchen renovation. There's holes in the floor. For us, the first egg that you dye has to be a red one, and you keep it until next Easter. So we'll keep that red egg until next Easter for good fortune and good luck and all that. Easter morning, we had an Easter basket. That is not Bulgarian. They don't do Easter basket. The Easter bunny doesn't visit Bulgaria, so that is the American thing. But Ruthie needed an Easter basket.
Easter Sunday, brought to you by the Easter Bunny and 6 a.m.
I can't find my Easter bunny.
Well, you gotta look. Oh, your hair.
It's in here. Not where it's supposed to be
Why is it supposed to be there?
because that's where we put it.
Yeah, but isn't he supposed to hide it?
Where did that bunny hide my Easter basket?
He didn't put it in the garbage can? Oh, that's good.
Do you see my Easter basket?
I don't see it. You haven't looked in anything.
What do you mean?
It's not in the dishwasher. Did you find it?
Twisty Pets!
Oh my gosh.
And these come as accessories!
No, accessories for your accessories.
And these are kitty cats! Play-Doh! 2 jump ropes! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh man.
Thank you, Easter Bunny, so much!
Did you get all of them from over here?
Yeah. What do you mean?
I should double check that you got all the eggs. Look real good.
Yeah. Sure.
Mm. Oh, you did get good job.
Isn't that so cute?
That's so
I have
funny.
a little egg.
There you go.
You are a sheep.
Gotta crack that one open. You can't go.
Money. Cha-ching.
Be like an Easter bunny and jump.
I know. I see 2 green ones. No coins.
That's your candy, honey.
Did the Easter bunny just drop that off?
Yeah. He cares about us too. What a guy.
More candy! More gum!
Oh no. And then we kind of went on with our day. I decided I was going to make traditional Bulgarian Easter bread. Kozunak, I'm pretty sure I'm saying that wrong. I tried making Kozunak and that was an all-day process, and I want to be the Great British Bake Off, but I barely qualify for nailed it. Here's everything that I need, hopefully. Bowls and such. Recipe. That's what it's supposed to look like when we're done. Godspeed, Kim. Okay, so I got some kind of dough made. Dough. Sort of. It's still way too sticky. Oh, we were listening to music. But it's still way too sticky for what the directions say, but this is why I don't bake often. Because it ends up looking like this. Oh my gosh. We're gonna cover that and come back in a few hours and pray. Ruthie and I also decided to paint some rocks to look like Easter eggs so we can use them as decorations next year. That was actually really, really fun and just a nice time. It was just delightful. Those are our rocks. There's our paint. Let's paint some rocks.
Yeah!
We're gonna make them look like Easter eggs. Here's our finished rocks. Pretty Easter egg rocks. Painting rocks has been an amazing, time-consuming task for these past couple weeks. Easter egg rocks, we're gonna put them out next year for decoration. Yay! And then I had to get back to the bread. I should have showed you the dough, but it doubled in size, almost doubled in size, and it was supposed to triple in size, but like, oh well. We're going with it anyway. So now we are stuffing it with raisins, and I also put brown sugar on it because I just really want this to be like a sweet bread. So we've done that with these two, and now I'm gonna roll this one, and then we're gonna braid it. Okay, now it has to raise again.
What do you think about it?
I think I'm not even good enough for nailed it. It's raising. I got the oven on warm. Actually, I put it on warm and then I turned it off, so. Oh, please. And then it was time to bake the bread, as well as cook an Easter dinner feast. Ooh, she bread.
Smells so good.
Oops, it turned a real pretty color. Oh
What are you gonna call your masterpiece?
Bread?
What type of bread?
Kozunak.
Kozunak?
Yep.
What is Kozunak?
Bulgarian Easter bread. Please be delicious. Oh my gosh.
Look how golden brown.
Oh my gosh. I made bread. I don't know how it's gonna taste, but like, oh my gosh. It's pretty. Looks good on the table. Sadly, husband ended up not feeling well by the end of the night. Not sure if it's a stomach bug or just too much sugar. When you eat candy for lunch, your body's just not gonna be very forgiving. But it could be a bug, we don't know yet. Dinner was moved to tomorrow night. We're just gonna heat up all the salmon and the chicken and the green beans and the mashed potatoes and everything tomorrow night. And the bread, not good. Bread. It didn't cook all the way along the bottom here. And it's just really, it didn't rise right. You can just tell because it's very like packed in there. It's supposed to be nice and looking. Didn't have the right sugar for the top. Needed more raisins. It just, a lot of things went wrong with it. It looked really pretty though, and I'll be trying it again next year. We tried to make Kozunak. I'm still trying to learn how to say that right. Happy Easter. Honestly, it wasn't entirely my fault. Not that I don't want to take responsibility, because I know that I was not super precise with everything, but we had to get enriched self-rising flour because it was the only flour at the grocery store. We just have had not good luck with it. We make homemade bread fairly often. Husband actually has a really good recipe for it, and it is not anything like what it should be with this flour. I know that played a really big part in it, and I also had a few things that weren't quite right for it and everything. I tried, and it looked really pretty and nice on the table, so I'll take that victory. We had a nice, quiet, chill Easter. If there are comments on this video, please leave a comment down below telling me how you celebrated and just letting me know that you're doing okay. I hope that you are all staying safe and healthy, and we love you and happy Easter. And until we meet again, sparkle on.